Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to set up Shopify subscriptions. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. Alright, so what you need to do is you can see if you simply head over to your customers section, we have different customers that you can add in here. So you can add them as subscribers, or what you can do is you can simply search for any subscription integration that is going to help. So simply search in here for subscriber, simply searching for the App Store. I'm gonna search that in App Store. Let me do that really quick. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up and you will be able to see that we have this loyalty and various other apps that are going to feature this subscription feature. So you can give a try to those. Most of these are free and also offer free trial and free plans. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.